What's up everyone, welcome to Teen Knowledge channel, and in this short video I will show you how you can enable or disable auto rotate or landscape mode in something like M21s. So before starting this video, if you're new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and let's start the video without wasting any time. So to enable or disable auto rotate or landscape mode in M21s, first of all you just need to tap on screen and hold for 2 seconds and then follow the step as I'm showing you in this video.